To fold shorts, first lay them face up on a flat surface. Fold them in half once vertically. Then fold them in half horizontally, lining up the waistband and the bottom of the legs. Store your folded shorts upright side by side in a drawer instead of stacking them on top of each other, so they're easier to find when you need them. To roll shorts so they're more compact for packing, first fold the waistband down about 1 to 2 inches, 2.5 to 5 centimeters over the front. Then fold the shorts in half vertically. Finally, roll the bottom of the legs up towards the top of the shorts and tuck the roll into the waistband. For shorts made with wrinkle-prone fabric like linen, try hanging them on a hanger instead of folding them to avoid wrinkles.